beautiful crayfish.
Yes. Swing something very hard out.
We had been exploring the beautiful Keppel Isles with its lush bushland and sandy white beaches. And today we've been foraging with our friends on Marul.
Okay, so we were very lucky to be given this beautiful crayfish that Troy caught when we were out hunting for food the other day. So I'm going to make us a scrummy lunch. So what we're going to do is cray on the barbie, which would be really nice. Just cut them in half, slather them with a really nice butter, and then cook them up. So I've made these poke bowls. So we're going to barbecue our crayfish and lay half a crayfish here. And these poke bowls have basically just got carrot, beans, capsicum, avocado, corn and red cabbage on a bed of lettuce. And I've put an Asian style dressing on top, which is really yummy. So I'm just mixing up my butter right now. And in here I have got kaffir lime leaves, zest of lime, ginger, some chilli and butter and a bit of garlic. So that gives it that really nice Asian influence. So I'm just going to mix that up into my butter. That's going to get lathered onto the crayfish.
That's helpful for us.
Thank you very much, little fella.
After cutting the crays in half, we lay them on the barbie.
Yeah, so we put the cut side down first, give it a few minutes, get a bit of colour into it, and then we flip it over.
I then lather on my lovely Asian butter.
Secret ingredient.
Yeah, we'll close them up again. Funny old thing with us is that every time we light the barbecue, the wind comes up. It's pretty weird, isn't it?
Oh, without fail.
And so we had to put this plate. We've stuffed it with tin foil and we've put a plate there to stop the breeze from getting in and blowing the barbecue out. But I've come up with another plan. We're going to try and get an extendable arm like they have on televisions. See if we can get a rotating arm for it at some stage. Maybe not this month or maybe not next month, but maybe the month after that we can afford it. Get an extendable arm so then we can move the barbecue out and around like a robot and have our defence against the wind. That's my idea. Okay, so it's smelling pretty good. There's a bit of smoke coming out the back. I'm going to take a look and see how it's going. Yeah, baby. Ooh, yeah.
This one went straight from stove to plate.
Thanks, Troy. You're a champion. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh. Look at that.
Yeah, baby. You good?
Yeah, baby.
So how lucky are we to be sitting in this beautiful bay at Great Keppel Island? There's a beach right behind us, there's these beautiful bushwalks, and today we're munching on crayfish for lunch. What a great day.
So with Darren pondering how to sharpen his cray hunting skills, we took off exploring the island before picking up some long-awaited boat parts from the afternoon ferry.
Oh, Great Keppel, she's full of wild goats.
How happy are you, babe?
Oh, extremely. Well, I feel pretty full, so yeah, good stuff.
Let's go chop a few open.
Rightio. Maybe dragging away her quarry.
Okay, so pretty happy today. We've finally got our gearbox oil cooler. It's quite a good looking little piece of kit, and I'll just show you the inside of it just so you can see how it works. That's pretty much it's just full of tubes, and the seawater passes through there, and the oil for the gearbox goes in through this circuit here, and that's it. So I've got it all bolted in there, and you can see there's 4 screws that just hold that cooler on there, and there's 2 clamps, one either end, and these 2 oil feed lines and return, and that was about it. It's just a little bit fiddly in there, that's all. So we're just topping the oil up now, and it's all looking pretty good. This is the old one that come out of it, and I'd just done a little live test on it before I disconnected it. I unhooked the water side and just left the oil lines attached, and oil was coming out around this joint here. Somebody with a oxy torch should probably braze it up without a problem. So anyway, I'll keep it. I might get somebody to fix that one day, and we'll have a little spare for us.
Late afternoon found us joining our friends for a beach barbecue.
Doing your yoga, babe?
Yeah, it's sort of similar to yoga.
Troy had shown Darren the best wood to use as a spear. Here he's straightening it over the fire.
Nice. Gourmet beach barbecue.
Look at this. Couldn't stand to take your heart out. Whoa. Snatch.
Yeah, baby. Smoking.
Happy with that there, boss?
Look at that fire, it's amazing.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
These gatherings are a great way to meet new people. Between us we shared fresh caught fish, fire roasted vegetables and baked kumara, swapping stories well into the night.
We are this morning just having a quick trip actually we're going to go behind Curtis Island and do that little trek through to Gladstone, and hopefully it'll be really pretty actually. We're sort of going in this kind of creek area, so we have to push up, which we won't be able to do today, but we're just sort of lining ourselves up for it. But what we do is we go in 2 hours before high tide into this creek, and it will just give us enough water to suck us in one end and push us out the other, which will be pretty cool. And in the middle section it actually completely dries, so we really do have to make sure we've got our tides right. Yes, it should be quite exciting, and hopefully it'll be really pretty and nice and chill from the winds, because the next 5 days or so are going to be quite strong southeasters. So we thought we'd tuck behind Curtis Island and go see what it's all about. It's getting pretty fickle in here, but we shall see. We're going to try our hardest to keep on sailing. It'll be good. At least the wind's keeping the mozzies down. That'll be good. Hopefully they won't be able to fly at Sarean speed.
Just outside for us. Something in the way that the wind blows, I know we're in love. Oh, oh, it's all happening now.
So we've been sailing along pretty nicely, and I am just actually making a lovely quinoa salad for us for lunch, and seems to have settled down a wee bit. I think we might be getting near the point where we enter the channel. I'm just going to check and see what's going on. How's it going, my honey?
We're coming down in behind Curtis Island now, so we're sort of starting to get out of the swell now, which is pretty good. But we're still making 6 knots, but we're pushing probably 2 knots worth of tide you know, our logs getting up around 8.5 knots sometimes, so, you know, we're pushing along all right, but we've got this massive tide we're pushing against, so anyway, we're still going pretty good.
Lucky we've got a bit of breeze to get us through.
Yeah, it's going really well. Pretty,
Cool.
pretty happy with it. Hopefully we can sail right down into the shallows there with a bit of luck. So.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, so Curtis Island's quite a long island. It's about 30 miles long. And when the tide comes in, it actually floods in from both ends. And it creates a little bit of extra tide there. So the tides down here are look really big. They're some of the biggest in Australia. And the little piece in the middle that dries, it's actually called the cattle crossing because they graze cattle over on Curtis Island. So we just come up and we sit in a position where we can sneak through on the next high tide, and off your uncle.
You know you're having a good sail when the oven is on a lean. So we're having a nice fresh quinoa salad today, and I've got red onion, red cabbage, broccoli, some celery and some capsicums, and some sun-dried tomatoes for a real punch of flavour. That's all going to get mixed in with a fresh basil pesto. So yeah, yummy, scrummy. We're really enjoying this salad. Anyway, I'm going to mix it up and munch away. Time to eat, time to eat.
Thank you for watching this week's episode. If you'd like to support us in making these videos, jump on board as a patron. If you enjoyed it, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends because it helps our channel grow. You can find our favourite cruising resources on our website and follow our photo journey on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks again for watching. See you next week.